back to my channel. It's Rae. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a comparison on 4 different shampoos that I have in my arsenal, 4 different shampoos that I like, and I'm just trying to see which ones are the best and why. So I wanted to come on and share it with you. So I have already shampooed my hair. I pre-pooed and shampooed. If you didn't see my pre-poo video, I will try to link it here, but I went in after I pre-pooed or detangled. I went in with 4 different shampoos. So I have 4 different sections in my hair. So now I'm just going to go over the shampoos and what section I use them and what I feel about them. So in this front section here, I use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. It looks like this. I only have a very little bit left. And I was going to use this over the entire head of mine because I wanted to use it up. But then I thought, you know what? If I use it up, am I going to want to repurchase, or would I want to repurchase one of the other ones over it? So I thought, let me just do a real quick comparison and see how I feel about it. So this is the section that I used this shampoo on, and I will say that when I applied this shampoo, it did not lather as much as the other shampoos did, and it did feel like it was initially more stripping than the other shampoos, in my opinion. The smell, it's like a soft, sweet smell. This one has no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, no propylene glycol, no phthalates, no animal testing, no petroleum. So it's really good shampoo, and it does cleanse your hair quite well. And so I do feel like my hair is cleansed from any and all residue that was on it. So I liked it for that. Now, when I went to rinse it out after I applied my conditioner, I felt like this side, even though it looks somewhat frizzy to me, it felt moisturizing once I rinsed out the conditioner, the rinse out conditioner that I put in. This side felt soft, this side felt moisturized, still felt clean. So the conditioner did run off of it quite nicely. It did not stick to any coating that may have been left on my hair, so that's great. So that's how I feel about that one. The second shampoo I used was the Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Shampoo by Design Essentials. You guys know I love this as a moisturizing shampoo. I used it back here on this section. And going on, it felt great. It felt moisturizing right away. The lather was outstanding, so a lot of lather came on. It did define and lengthen my curls some. And my hair is looking a little bit more frizzy now because I've just been out of the shower for a while. But yes, I love the way that this went on. Initially, gave me all the suds, and the lather that I wanted gave me the moisture. I was able to keep detangling. So that's something, if you detangle outside the shower or even inside the shower with a pre-poo or some type of conditioner or whatever, detangler, and then you go in with your shampoo, you want to make sure that your hair will continue to be detangled. You don't want to shampoo and then get all the tangles back in that you worked on getting out before you ever shampooed. So you won't have that problem with this. This will keep those tangles away and let you get a nice lather and a nice shampoo. When I rinsed it out after I used the conditioner, I felt like my hair was clean, and I felt like it was somewhat less moisturized than the Shea Moisture for some reason. I'm not exactly sure why, but that's just how it felt. It felt a little bit more stripped or whatever. Not that either one of them stripped my hair of all moisture. It didn't do that, but it just felt a little bit more squeaky than the Shea Moisture felt after rinsing out the conditioner. The third shampoo I went in with was the Maui Moisture Shine and Awapuhi shampoo, which I've been talking about lately. Just tried it not too long ago, did a review on it, but I've been liking it. It has a nice smell. It has a citrusy type smell to me. I forgot to give you this one. This one has more of a salon smell in my opinion. Still not bad, more of a salon smell. So when I went in with this one, I went in on this section here in the front, and it lathered up right away as well. It had more slip as far as helping to detangle my hair. It had more than the Shea Moisture, but of course it had less than the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado. So this one did give me some slip to continue to be able to detangle. It cleansed my hair very well. It felt good. When I rinsed it out, when I rinsed out the conditioner that I had put on top of it, it felt very similar to the Design Essentials, where it had that squeaky clean feeling, not necessarily stripped, but just squeakier clean than this Shea Moisture one for some reason. This one gave me a little bit more frizz too, just like the Shea Moisture side did, but it smells good and it lathers well, and it just feels good on the hair. So yeah, that's what this one looks like. To me, they all cleansed my scalp well, and they all cleansed my hair well. Last but not least, I went in with the Texture ID Curl Clarifying Shampoo with honey. This one, they all have pretty soft scents. Nothing overpowering that's gonna mess with your senses. You're sensitive to smell. So all of them have soft enough scents that they won't mess with that. All of them are a little bit different, so it just depends on you. I'm not that big on scents. I like stuff to smell good, but if it doesn't and it still works, I'm okay with it, as long as it's not sulfur smelling or, you know, rotten eggs. But if it's just, you know, regular, that's fine with me. So here's the section I went in with the Texture ID. Again, you see a little bit more definition back here. Of course, the back is a little bit, well, the back is a little bit longer than the front too, so it's gonna hang a little bit more and give a little bit more definition, but I do have some looser sections back here than I do up here and in the crown. So this is what it feels like initially going on. This was very soft and silky going on, lathered up well right away, helped to detangle. So the two that helps you detangle the most are these two. This would be first, this would come in second. This one got my hair clean as well. It also felt good when I rinsed out the leave-in conditioner. It felt more moisturized. It felt very much like the Shea Moisture in the front. So clean, quite as squeaky sounding as these, but still clean. So yeah, it feels really good, and it feels soft and nice to the touch. They all look similar to me as far as shine is concerned on my hair, and like I said, they all cleanse very well to me. So my final thoughts are going to be, if I wanted a moisturizing shampoo, because we don't always need clarifying shampoo. So if I wanted a moisturizing shampoo that got my hair clean, made my hair feel good, kept it detangled while I shampooed, gave me a nice lather, I'm gonna go with this. So this will stay in my arsenal, love it. If I wanted a clarifying shampoo that made sure my hair was clean, left no residue on my hair, did not strip my hair but still clarified it, then I am going to go with the Texture ID. This one is somewhat clarifying too, because I mean, it has the peppermint, the apple cider vinegar and everything in it. So to me, this kind of goes to that clarifying side a little bit, just because of how stripping and cleansing it feels while you're shampooing your hair. But I think I am going to stick with this one over this one. It just seems like this last wash that I did, I liked this one better. And so yeah, I would stick with this one. So those are my takes on it. I think those two are the best. If you just want to shampoo and you like the squeaky feeling, you like the clean feeling, then either of these would work. This one is not bad. This one is good too, but it's just not as moisturizing as this. So if I want to moisturize my hair, and be able to detangle when I'm shampooing, then I'm gonna pick that one over this one. But if for some reason I can't get that, I definitely will pick this up again. But yeah, these two look like they're going to end up staying in my favorites, where the other two probably will not. So yeah, that is it on this review. I hope you liked it. I hope I answered some of your questions. Oh, as far as price wise too, this one I believe is like $8.99. I'm not sure what this one goes for, but all of them I believe are pretty reasonable, but I'll definitely put the prices in the description box below so you know. They're all readily available in most places, so there you go. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.